Right, Zaki, you just give me the briefing on parallel parking. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you a briefing on parallel parking now.
Right. Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
You have your information there in front
Yeah.
of you.
Yep.
All right, and I've got mine in front of me. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, reverse parallel parking. Okay?
Yeah.
At this moment in time, we are parked about 2 cars behind that car in front of you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
This is this car here.
Yeah.
All right, we
Yeah.
are now parked up.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we are going to pull up the side of that car, just like that. Okay?
Yeah.
We're going to pull up about half a metre away from that car. So the parked car, we are half a metre. Okay?
Right.
We are going to stop with our left door mirror in line with the headlight. Handbrake goes on, into reverse gear.
Yeah.
Find your bite. Prepare your vehicle.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Depending on what the situation is, depending on whether you need to put any kind of signal on,
Yeah.
whether it be an indicator, okay?
Yeah.
However, your reversing lights are going to be that indicator for those vehicles coming behind us,
Right.
okay?
Yeah.
Once the car is prepared, you're doing those observations.
Right.
So you prepare, observe. Exactly the same things you were doing when you are setting off it. However, because we are on the right hand side, you can start your checks on the right hand side because there may be vehicles going past you.
Right.
So it's right blind spot, right mirror. Road ahead, centre mirror, left blind spot. When it's safe to do so, you are going to start moving backwards. The speed that you're going to travel at is an old man's walking pace.
Right.
All right?
Okay.
That car in front is a larger car. It's an estate car, which makes it a little bit longer. All right?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to use our left door mirror,
Right.
and we are going to be getting in line with the door handle of that car. If the car was a smaller car like that silver car on our right hand side,
Yeah.
it'd be our door mirror in line with their door mirror.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now at this point here, because you are going to do your turning, you've already started your checks anyway, because you're looking at your left, over your left shoulder out of your back window.
Yeah.
You're then looking there for your reference point.
Yeah.
You look out of your windscreen to make sure there's nothing coming towards you.
Right.
You're then going to look over your right shoulder to make sure there's nothing going past you. Again, we have that blind spot.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
At that point there, you are going to turn that steering wheel one full turn to your left.
Right.
Skoda writing is at the top. Turn that steering wheel full turn until the Skoda writing is back at the top.
Right.
As you can see by that picture, the front end is sticking out.
Yeah.
That is why you're doing those checks, to make sure that you are safe and other people are safe.
Right.
If there's something coming towards you,
Yeah.
then you're not going to do that turn.
Right.
If there's something going past you,
Right.
then you're not going to do that turn. You're going to stay in that position there where you are straight.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
Yep. So we've started to go backwards, and between this point here and your next reference point, which will be your third reference point, you are going to do another round check. Right, so again,
Right.
you're looking over your left shoulder, just having a look there,
Yeah.
again to make sure that you are safe.
Right.
Your last reference point is when your door mirror, our left door mirror, is in line with their tail light.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Again, because you are doing those checks, because you're looking there, you're going to again look around there to make sure you're still safe, and look over your right shoulder again. If you look in that mirror there, you will see that this curb here, which is the curb that's running behind us,
Yeah.
will look like it's touching the back of the car. It's
Right.
one of those optical illusions, but it's not actually touching
Yeah.
the back of the car. We have that blind spot mirror there as well, and you'll see the curb in that mirror as well. Okay?
Right.
Again, it will look like it's touching the back of the car. Okay?
Yeah.
At this point here, you will continue going backwards, and you will turn that steering wheel full lock to your right. You will do your steering at the same speed that you are travelling at. So if you're going a little bit faster, you need to do that steering that little bit faster. If you're going slow, then it's a constant turn. Okay?
Yeah.
The idea is not to hit that curb.
Right.
If you are too far away from that curb, because you are allowed to have a 2-car gap between you and the car in front, you can use that gap to get yourself that little bit closer to the curb. Okay?
Yeah.
You have to be mindful because roads aren't flat like this.
Right.
Roads have a bit of a camber, which
Yeah.
means they go there like that. So your right foot will stay near your brake
Right.
in case the car picks up a little bit of speed.
Yeah.
You can control the speed by using the brake, so we don't go too fast.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? So at least 4 occasions you're doing an all-round check, nice and slow, and the idea is not to touch that curb, and we're going back, leave myself a 2-car gap. Any questions at all?
No, but one thing I didn't actually mention was the camber of the road.
Yes.
And they all have that, and that's
They do,
one thing I
yes.
should have actually explained, because when the car's coming back, obviously the car's going to be going slightly